Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to turn off your active status on Facebook. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and use Facebook without letting others know when you're online. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Now, under the Audience and Visibility section, you'll find an option called Active Status. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where you can make the change. You'll see a toggle switch next to Show when you're active. Simply toggle it off. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to turn off your active status. To finalize, tap Turn Off in the confirmation message. And that's it. Your active status is now disabled. By following these steps, you can browse Facebook without worrying about others seeing when you're online. If at any point you want to turn your active status back on, just follow these same steps and toggle it back on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.